Hello, people of the tubes.
Hello and welcome to Game Squid.
Howdy.
You're from Australia, Dylan.
I am indeed.
Hmm.
That's quite an Australian name, isn't it,
Is it?
Dylan?
Is it?
How about the last name? Is that Australian as well?
I don't think
What is
so.
it?
I think it's actually Scottish, maybe.
It's Fleming, like the amazing actor from Rawhide, if you've ever seen that. Eric Fleming.
No, I haven't.
Oh, missing out on your probably ancestor. Alright, so what am I looking at? Alright, so now I've made it that... Oh, nothing. Can't join until I create a thingy. Right. Here's a thingy. Now I can join. Okay, so now that I've joined, it has created a bunch of floaty mice.
No flip.
Unrelated to those mice there. So... Why are they floaty, I wonder? I should look into that. Ah, no. Bad house. And so I can press O now to make my shadow appear, my multiplayer shadow, which is really short behind me now because of the server that is now hosted.
It's almost like motion blur.
Yep. So now with the lowest ping, this is how close it gets. Maybe I should optimize it in a way that it's still faster than this. I'm not sure if it's possible.
Oh, yeah.
I wonder how I could make it, even though it's probably just one frame behind, I guess, or whatever, or two, the most. Unfortunately, my ears break a bit when the last bit here. This is the part, the ears are crumpled up like that every time I make a mouse invisible and visible again. Maybe I should fix that real quick if I could. So you're a programmer too, Dylan. Are you still learning though?
Well, yeah, I mean, always, always still like learning all the time, but
Indeed.
I know my way around Unity.
Have you done anything yet?
I've been making just, like crummy prototypes that I never finish.
Oh. Oh yeah, who wouldn't? I
Got a ton of those.
I should do some of those.
Oh
Some
man, I
more.
just noticed it's Steam messages.
Oh. Yeah, you are unreachable. So are you going to some university then or what?
Not sure right now.
Oh, you're not sure
mean,
if you're going to a university? Interesting.
Yeah, no. I mean, I'm going to university, just not. I doubt I'll be doing like, gaming or anything like that.
I wonder what these ausargs are. I wonder if I can put stuff like hat type in there too. That would be interesting.
Oh fags.
Indeed.
I wonder what made you come up with that name.
It was already in the code, that name.
Oh,
It's already in the SDK.
Oh, Player
I
IO,
wonder why
never heard of that.
I wonder why it's called right in the first place then.
Seems pretty good, this. Who knows?
Yeah.
Let's see if there's anything I can find for it.
It sounds like it could be an orc or something. An orc's name.
Great. This doesn't appear to be saying anything about it either. Why would this come up? No? Weird. Very odd. Okay, so... Okay, we have user... Oh, right, so that's how the dictionary works. Interesting. But could it be that this is all it has? It's probably not. Do I want to bother putting more stuff in? Well, I guess I do. Okay, so do you know how dictionaries work?
I have not used them very much, no.
Me
Well,
neither.
you look into them and you get to understand words
If
and their
only.
meanings.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah, I think it's like a name to a value or something like that.
Yes, I wonder how you set it up, though. Do not
Mm.
pearls. No, it's add, is it? No, that can't be right. There must be a better way to set it up. Please.
Oh, that's nice.
Is it?
Well, I like it.
I wish there was a better way than just add. I wish it was just a bunch that I could set up. Oh, there we go. That's it, apparently.
Cat, dog, llama, iguana.
Right. Apparently you can have a string and an int, and I'm assuming the fact that you specify probably means you can have any type of thing, really.
Yeah.
Any type of variable name. Okay, so what happens if I say hat type? Is that how I have it? Yes. Hat type and then hat type. That'll be interesting if that works. Wait, is that it? Oh, I guess it would be. Okay, so are you going to cause issues now? Well, probably not, I guess, considering. The question is it going to transmit these things? I suppose it could cause issues if it doesn't have a receiving end for these. Does not exist, huh? Well, without the E, okay. So you're quite tired because you've stayed up all night, and it's still
I'm
very
actually,
late.
yeah, I'm actually not tired at all. That's why I'm staying up.
I swear you just yawned.
That wasn't him.
Oh, oh no, Paul, did we wait too long? Are you tired now? Damn.
A bit.
Oh no. Maybe we'll only do one video today then.
Oh man.
Well, if you're not too tired, that is. Okay, what
I
did
was,
I?
I was playing with Sims 2 until 3 o'clock in the morning.
Oh wow. Yeah, it's 3 o'clock for Dylan now. If not 8, if not 4.
Yeah, like 3:30.
I wanted to do something on it.
I see. This wouldn't magically make a hat type appear here. No, of course not. That would have been too convenient. Jesus, a lot of data being transmitted here, I think. I think more than I would want. Huh.
Oh, that's pretty cool. It gives you like all the like a heads up display of all the stuff that's being sent.
Indeed. Well, this is stuff I put out in the console, and then
Right, yeah.
and this
It's
stuff
pretty handy.
I don't seem to have any control over this nonsense here.
Console version confirmed.
Oh god. Oh yes, and then the PC Master Race will kick the console peasants' ass once and for all with their advanced mouse aiming. They'll all see.
I reckon this would play really well with a controller.
Possibly. I probably will have to add that support. So is there any way that I could make the ears not be broken? Man, first time you're here and I'm gonna do something as minor as ears, huh?
Oh yeah, no. Ears are important.
Very. Let's see, jigs 2. Ah god, what was that? That appears to be ears, very good. Okay, what about the jigs 2? They jiggle, very good. Yes, my brilliant namings. There's no way that they could be misunderstood. Okay, so... Oh. So if this is false, it doesn't jiggle, does it? Wait,
Hmm.
I see.
Is that how we make boob physics?
Must be. Oh
Female
boy.
mice.
The jiggles.
Oh god, yeah. All the gender options. And then women just deal 20% less damage. Because they're so weak. Scientifically accurate. I wonder if people like that. Be the highest difficulty. Well, don't make it awkwardly silent. Alright, so...
Babies are weak. Make it easiest difficulty for babies.
Great.
Wolfenstein did it.
Yeah, I remember that. Okay, so if I disable this, my ears will not wag at all, I suppose.
Can I play daddy?
Is that the difficulty name?
Yep.
Sweet.
And it shows BJ's mugshot with a bib and a pacifier.
Oh yeah, that was good. Okay, so my ears are now not wiggling at all. Great, so... Now all I would need would be some kind of way to revert the thingy, yes. What are these jigglings about anyways? Jigs, yes, jigs. So I'm assuming these are for legs, the number 1 and the number 2 would be for ears and other stuff. What a silly concept I have here. Alright, so let me undo. Oh wait, sorry, I didn't pay attention. Did you say you do go to college or not?
I'm actually currently in my gap year.
Oh
Which
wow. So
is nearly over, so be heading off to uni next year.
did you go to university before that as well or just after?
Nah.
Oh, I see. Well, gap years are supposed to be good for productivity.
I said that.
Well, you'll just have to catch up now because of all this gapping you did.
Oh well.
Yeah. So what? Oh, I just rotate this by itself and that's all I do. Interesting. But how can I make it reset, I wonder? Do you understand quaternions?
Oh god.
Oh god,
Does anybody?
indeed. Well, I think I'm getting there. One day I'll definitely understand them.
4-dimensional fucking shit. Oh, man.
Are
Can't
they
handle that.
4-dimensional? I don't actually...
Well, yeah.
I don't claim to understand what they actually mean. I just want to understand how
I
they're
get what you mean.
used.
Yeah. Yeah, they've got X, Y, Z, and then W.
Oh no.
Indeed. Alright, so what if I say quaternion? Yeah, that's not even spelled right. Oh, it is actually. Okay,
It sounds more like an element.
indeed.
Quaternion.
Put it in a periodic table.
Okay, so what if I just say like this without what it was previously? What will that do now? I suppose the best way would be to use a kind of... What's it called? Oh, it's upside down, that's what it does. Oh no, it's always pointing that way. I see. Yes. So that's interesting. I suppose another easy way might be to use the head's rotation as a base. That might actually be smarter, but then the problem will be rotating them towards where they are, I guess. Oh god. Wait. What's local rotation, damn it? Oh, this is just so inconvenient. The way I have set this up and then the way it's going to be set up. Okay, jig rotation. That's not gonna do. What about target.head.rotation? Now it should at least always be pointing the same way. And Reese was online but not responsive earlier. Now as soon as I start a video he responds. How inconvenient. I wonder if I should add him or if that would make it too many people again.
I think you've had more before.
I have, but I didn't really like the outcome.
We need 8.
Oh no. Okay, so this isn't super broken. It isn't. But it requires more, I guess. Well, that one's super broken, but this one seems nearly correct. So if I now go and enter the server, nope, I forgot to start the server. And then I join again. And then I press O, which apparently resets that, okay. Which is inconvenient. But then, oh, fuck, why does it reset it? Wait, really? Just like that? Why is it reset it? I don't know how I can reset it. Huh. How random. So the O button does two things when I'm in the server at the moment, I guess, because it's just my go-to debugging button. It makes the ears go back to normal, and it does it shows my shadow, I guess. So how does this work? I don't see how it can be resetting it. That's so weird. And how can it break the rotations of the regular parts? That is so weird. It's almost as if it's doing something else to reset it. But it couldn't be, could it? Well, I guess it could be. It just only scales them up. What's F1?
Beep.
Indeed.
Out of my way, asshole.
That's how it goes.
Or however you say that in German.
Oh god. Don't ask me to speak German. Alright, so things are confusing. I probably should use another button to make my shadow appear. That would probably help in this case. Oh wow, well I guess Reese is gonna be invited. Hey there.
Hello.
It's Reese.
Hello.
I need you to be on Google Hangouts so I can invite you to the screen sharing. Reese?
Yeah. Sorry, I was stretching.
Right.
No, we've lost him.
Right. Alright, so let me just get Reese on there real quick then. Alright, now back to business. Now that Reese can see.
Yes.
Okay, so I've set this to I now, I guess, so that means I can now press I to see my shadow and O to see my ears, to stop my ears from being weird. So that's really confusing then. Okay, so now I've reset it back to how it was, so you see the ears are now smooth as they were, kind of. Yep. But if I press the I now, yeah, here's my shadow then. Oh great, fuck those balls still.
Not the balls.
Okay, so my shadow has broken ears as usual then. Kind of. That one at least. So I wonder why that might be. Wait, could it possibly be that stuff right there? It's gotta be actually. Right. Jiggle 2. If I can find it. Here we go. So what is vector 1? Oh no, it's some random stuff. How
I always-
inconvenient. Some stuff I'm not aware. Is that a J? Oh. Fucking J. Why would I ever use a J? Okay, so B. What is B? Ugh.
BJ.
Damn it. This isn't correct coding.
Mm,
Oh, so Dylan meet Reese, I guess.
1 letter
Eddie?
variables. Hello.
So, what is Jigs 2 then? What could it possibly be?
Wait, why are we on Hangout?
Because my Skype sucks.
Also, because the quality is sometimes better when you have both Hangout and Skype. Yes.
I feel like it might be worse for my end.
Yes, for your end.
Yeah.
Wait, for your end?
Yeah.
You hear me? You hear me over Skype? What are you talking about?
Oh no, yeah, I mean video wise.
Oh, video wise, well fuck
Yeah.
that. I mean, well, I guess you can't read as well, or can you?
Well, yeah, I can read it still, but it's not as smooth as it was before.
Well, there's
Sometimes
also
you
more
skip
people
the
now,
progress.
so
Yeah.
it'll be less smooth for sure. I guess but the quality of the voice is the important part, anyways. Okay, so
Yeah.
How's my quality?
it's pretty good.
Cool.
Yep. Well, you probably wouldn't hear any big difference. You probably sound slightly better if you're the one recording, but
Of course.
it's hard to get it right. Might be slightly better if you were on Hangouts, but you can't mute yourself on Skype, so it's impossible to get that.
Yeah.
Because Skype is being annoying.
I wonder what would happen if I click call on your chat now.
Oh no, don't even try it. It's gonna create a
Beep.
singularity for sure.
Everyone do it at the
There's
same
gonna
time.
be 2 of me. And then further clicks will make other copies of me.
Oh no.
The polls are finally taking over.
They're replicating.
Sir, the polls are replicating. We cannot stop them. What do we do?
Uh,
God.
Pull a plug.
uh, God, what the hell is this? This fucking thing. Oh wait. Oh no. I see now. Jiggle 2 was only the tip of the iceberg. The Jiggle 1 function is also called right beforehand, in fact.
So you got to do different jiggles.
It would appear so. How inconvenient. So, does that even do it? How does it work? How does it know? I don't get it. What is this jiggling for? Only that one. God damn it. How do I add these jigs? Oh god. Not like this, apparently. Oh, here we go with the ears.
With jiggly puffs.
Indeed. Wait a moment. Could it be that they are somewhat identical? The physics of the ears? Are they just one physic and then mirrored? Could it be? Oh god. Oh yes, right after this amazing multiplayer episode. We're just doing this ear jiggle one.
Nightmare.
Indeed.
The multiplayer stuff was cool. Now we're doing ear physics.
Yep. Sorry about that, but it was bothering me so much.
That should be on like the main thing about this game is just ear physics.
Yep. They're not even real physics, they're just jiggles.
You must fly like Dumbo.
Yep. Now what could possibly be the issue? Oh man. Head right. So none of this code is happening. What if I just disable this entirely and just say return?
I wonder who created the phrase, "Oh man." Why not? Oh woman.
Don't be politically correct on here.
Ah, genderless being.
Oh no, not the human being. Okay, so it appears that this function is in fact responsible for the physics of both of the ears. Okay, despite only being called on one of the ears. Interesting. Oh wait, no, was there just a hint of physics then?
Maybe both the ears are one object.
Well, they are all one object, but they are different bones of one object. But it would seem that I'm just doing them once and then mirroring the motion on the other one, so I guess that makes sense. I didn't realize. Oh man, what a long time ago I wrote that code. Probably a year ago.
Time to update.
Indeed. So what about this code could possibly be fucked up by becoming invisible and then not being invisible anymore? God damn.
Are you turning like the object on and off?
Yes, that is how the ears get fucked up, because the
Do you have
mouse
anything in your start function that could fuck it up? Because I'm pretty sure that gets called every time it gets turned on.
Really? Well, it's not an actual class, so that shouldn't be the issue. I hope. It's just a bunch of vectors, I guess.
Do I smell another programmer?
Yes, program
Maybe.
overload.
We're taking over the world. And Paul's just in the corner like, please no. No more letters, no more numbers. What the fuck's a symbol?
Yeah, that's right. It's a sleep-deprived Australian coder.
The thing is that I'm not sleep deprived. I woke up at like 2 in the afternoon.
God damn, you can't even get sleeping, right? Oh.
And I went for a little nap. A little nappy poo.
I see.
That's why
Yes.
I didn't answer.
You did not answer. It was annoying. I was so eager to work, and now I'm stuck doing ear physics. And
Look what you've done.
And I don't even understand what these things do here. How are they things? What is vector 1 in this case? We have... Oh god. Oh god.
Vector 1 is target.jix to a times 2.
Yes, indeed. Oh, I see. Yeah, that makes sense. Now I probably know how to... Oh, that's actually good to know. Okay. So, really? I don't add to it? Well, fuck. How does it know then what it is? How do I create a jiggly?
Be right back.
Oh no,
Oh.
he'll miss out on the amazing conclusion of this problem. How does it work? How do I not add to it? You'd think I would do something with it. Nothing. Nothing about adding to it at all. God, how does it just exist then? Alright, chicks 2. Oh, I guess it must be set to. No, it's not set to anything either. Fuck. How could this vector just come into existence? Aha!
Oh, there you go.
Brilliant. That's what I get for using extensions. What a brilliant extension I've used here. Okay, so basically I'll just have to set this to be head forward or whatever. And then that should hopefully fix it, I guess. Yeah, because it keeps overwriting itself. So if I go into the jiggle, and then I say plus head dot forward times 0.01 times delta, then we'll see something happen for sure. Could it possibly be that the ears will now grow infinitely, or are they going to just straighten out after a while? Which will it be? Well, they're not growing. Okay, so I need to join the server and right, and then I enable my shadow, and then my shadow is fucked up as usual. God damn.
That's a big shadow.
Indeed, it is a multiplayer shadow. Wait, you were there? Right. You know what this is. Follows so closely when it's got broken ears. They get more broken every time I deactivate it. Well, actually they got less broken that time. Okay, so that wasn't the case. What else could be the case then? What functions are to blame?
They're defunct.
Unless this isn't it at all. What if that isn't it at all? And what if indeed the solution is as simple as to fix the scaling? But the scaling's based on this somewhat. And then damn. What is... Okay, what if I just keep the scaling at 1 then? How will that affect things?
No, my bike.
Yes, I'm muted. What did it sound like?
It was like a and then it's just stopped because you muted.
Yep, I had to snort.
Oh no. Your nurse is a motorbike.
Indeed. Have we broken ears as usual? Yes, fuck. Nothing works. I just don't even. But then my ears are fine. Except for slightly affected by this change in scale. So, God, what could possibly be wrong? But how? Something in this code here is fucking things up. Alright, so I see it's not the scale, so it must be the rotation, I guess. Oh, we have this. No. Well, I suppose these numbers could be the problem, but they shouldn't really be, I guess.
It's probably just your spaghetti code.
Damn those spaghettis. So what kind of games do you program, Dylan?
Pretty much whenever I have like an idea. Yeah. It's not really like a specific type of game.
Oh my.
Have you
But
released
usually
any?
no. Just
No.
all prototypes that don't
Yeah.
get finished.
That's the hardest part, is finishing and releasing.
Yeah, I
Sure
know, right?
is. Can you imagine how hard this is? All of this.
Yeah. I
Hours
guess you
of
got a
work.
fair bit more to do.
Yeah.
Of course, bigger companies can do it easily because they've got other people.
Oh yes. Well, I don't
But
know
then
if that's
usually
more
we're still-
comfortable.
But usually still come out buggy anyway, and people still dislike them.
Yeah.
That's
Oh,
how it goes.
all the
It's
games
too
I've
true.
released are buggy, so
Yes.
the very first one is built on bugs. Because I couldn't get one thing to work and something else was happening, so I rolled with it. And then replicated the bug over and over again. And then made a game out of it.
What's that game called?
Reese's School.
Brilliant. Sounds like a Newgrounds game.
Yep.
Everything's gonna be out schools.
Puzzles!
Well, you should.
Every frame that you go onto, there's at least one bug. So,
Brilliant.
Cool. The
I mean,
frames are buggy.
feature. That's
What's that
Pico's
noise?
School I can hear. Unless that is Reese's School.
What? Who was that then?
What was the noise playing?
Some beeping.
Yeah, that was Reese's School.
Oh, right. I see.
Yep, horrible sound design that I stole from places and everything. I'm pretty sure half the stuff in it isn't legal. So
Arrest that man!
Yep.
using sound libraries that I didn't buy, that I somehow got my hands on. Not
Oh my.
purposely going out my way to get it illegally, but I just ended up with it. So I rolled with it.
Alright, so now to simplify this, I'm just gonna make the player invisible so that I can see the broken ears live. Alright, so player is target, and then info message is that, and then I need to stop info message from being spammed whenever the server sends a message. Not that that's particularly relevant considering I don't have to join the server. And right, making the player invisible. Player ID, almost. Damn it, where did I put it? Wow, I really gotta make a comment there so I can find it faster. So Dylan, have you watched any of my videos about programming?
Yeah. None of your like most recent ones because I've had internet issues, but yeah, most of them.
Oh well, your internet sounds very good for an Australian.
Yeah, it's actually not too bad.
It
It's
would
better
seem
than you
so.
think.
Then again, it's probably just the microphone that makes the difference, because that James guy, he's just got the worst microphone.
He's sitting outside with a kite attached to a toaster with a computer screen hooked up to it.
Yep.
How'd you know?
I have the power.
And he has one of those buckets with a string attached as a microphone.
You found me out.
Nope, talking about James.
Oh, right.
How
You're
about,
safe.
Fair
how
enough.
about cardboard toilet roll when you finish one of those and just attach it to a string?
So I'm gonna find out if this player is... Oh, if target is player, that's it. I hope that this code even runs for the player. It might not, considering it makes things... Oh fuck, there it goes. Yeah, well... More true, I guess. I hope it's not gonna fuck things up, having an invisible player, but we'll see. Button. There. If debug 3, then F2 is -1. Alright, here we go. Let's see all the errors that I'll cause by making the player non-existent. Millions. It'll be millions of bugs.
Literally unplayable.
And not as bad as I thought. But my ears are definitely broken now, so that's exactly what I wanted to test. Oh no, Paul, your microphone needs restarting. It does look hilarious though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Whee! What if
Looks
I
like
make it...
Looks like when my dog had her ears back instead of forwards.
There, now they're upside down, just like a dog. Oh god, yeah, and you see the pink stuff inside. Great.
Bare skin, yes. And then you have to flip it back forwards again.
Oh my, so this time it doesn't actually reset by pressing O. That's interesting. That is very interesting. It's almost as if things weren't as easily fixed as just not doing that code right. I'm probably not gonna get I'm probably not gonna have a proper solution. I'm probably just gonna save the stuff and then use it, I guess. Yes, that will probably be the best idea. So, do I use this function any more than once? Oh wait, I see how it goes.
Is Dylan still here? He turned into a full robot.
Hey?
Yeah, he's here.
That was Paul with the robot voice.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, he has a microphone that does that sometimes, that you restart it and it's fine.
Strange.
Very strange.
Everything I have is a gimmick.
It's when you're talking to somebody on Skype and the internet just dies down and then they go into slow motion robot mode.
Thank God it isn't my internet.
So they're like, yeah, yesterday I went to the shop. And you're just like, okay, I'm sorry, don't destroy me.
That's right.
That's right.
Over pronunciation much.
So what? Okay, just simple solution. No time to worry about anything. Jigs that. I just need local rotation. Yes, local rotation. And I can use the head's rotation as a base and then... Wait, what happens if I remove that part where it says... Oh, that's not it. Where it says jiggle.rotation. That would be interesting to know. Finally, now that I can make it invisible. And now that I can reproduce the bug easily. It's all about reproducing bugs, really. They're so much easier to fix if you can just press a button to cause them. So when did you start programming, Dylan?
Like I used to do like little mods for games like Counter-Strike and stuff when I was like 12.
Oh, you made that zombie mod. And then that gun game mod that turned into a game mode in the new Counter-Strike.
Start with pea shooter. Kill everyone with pea shooter. Have a bigger pea shooter.
And then I started getting into actual proper programming, like maybe about 2.5, 3 years ago.
Oh my! I wonder if you're better or worse than me.
I'm sure I'm not better.
Well, I guess I'm very creative, but I'm not technically amazing at programming.
I can guarantee I'm the worst here.
Oh yeah, that's not questioned.
Yeah.
Is this your first time with C#?
Well, I've worked with it for 2 or 3 years now, but this is my first game, I guess.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Well, I mean, my first.
independent game.
Well, I've made that gladiator game and never finished it, so I guess there's always that. Okay, so if I press P, ears are now fixed apparently. So all I need to do, I mean, they're not getting any more broken than they are now. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So all I would need to do would be to get rid of that where it uses the previous rotation. Okay, that's good to know. So all I need to do would be have a specific vector here. And what is it? J is 1, right. Okay, did I just say plus? Alright, multiply it by target dot quaternion. Ow, fuck's sake. What? How did that undo it? Right, okay. Here we go, quaternion J. I hope. I have no idea. Okay, yes. How do I find out? Something about ears. Ears. Just ear? God damn it, not whatever that was. Not near. Ear. Fuck.
Clear.
Create and then ear. Rear, of course. There we go. What the, it was like this, so why didn't it come out like this? When I searched for this. Weird.
Capital E probably would have took it to it first.
It's not supposed to be case sensitive. The search function. Weird. Okay, so I guess it's not ideal because of the quaternions, which I probably haven't set up. Wait, how is it? Oh god. I gotta look again. Everything is something. Gonna be tough to link these because of all the stupid code that I've written here. Do you ever see an old code and it's just horrible, Dylan?
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Usually it's always my first attempt at like a new function or something like that. And it's
I
usually just terrible.
I just look at all my code and think it's horrible.
Great. One day you'll be a real programmer.
Yeah, hopefully.
Oh.
God, how do I even know which one's the negative one? Damn. Yeah, there's not even a oh, I guess 1 and 2, that's how I know. Okay. Okay, so I need... Oh, that was J actually, so that's fine. Info message is plus space plus target dot quaternion, no, target quat dot count to string. So now I don't know if I'm already having quaternions here, which is all really horrible. Okay, no, fuck this. I can't have it like this. It's not acceptable. I gotta put it into a regular thing. So wherever I say .jigs, I'm gonna change it to something else. I'm gonna change it to .jigs.jigs2. That's gonna be slightly annoying. I should probably look closely. Where are my extensions? Here they are. So jigs is like this, which is probably not necessary. I should not need these. I could easily enough just write it like that, I guess. Okay, now we're gonna have a lot of errors, I guess. But it should be useful to fix. Wait, what? Are these based on objects? Interesting and useful. Could make an extension for them, but probably not a good idea. Alright, so... Everyone's just quiet.
Yep.
and
We're all
wondering what I'm
concentrating,
doing.
watching, waiting.
Yeah.
Why am I even... This is horrible. I'm trying to redo the way I store this information, and at the same time I'm trying to work on it. If it's like this, is it uncompilable? Yes, of course. Because I just disabled that function. And why the hell do I even... Oh, I probably shouldn't have done the first one, alright. The first one's important because that one's for legs. Yeah. Whatever. No, I can use the functions, I guess. I'll just store the data differently. Right, how is it stored? Jigs. It's vectors and anything else? God, this disgustingly large class. Okay, I have this and the other one, right. Where did I see jigs? So what's the biggest the biggest game you ever made or came close to finishing?
See, that's the problem, is that my ideas are usually way too big. So I get started because I'm always motivated with a new idea, and then eventually just tapers off and I give up.
Oh,
But
no.
Start
yeah.
out small.
Yeah, just don't have a good idea.
Oh, but how hard can it be? Just look at Flappy Bird.
Don't want to make a Flappy Bird.
Yes, you do. Forget your stupid pride and make your Flappy Bird.
Oh yeah, what was I thinking?
Make Pac-Man.
Yep.
Yeah.
Make
Flappy
an endless
Man.
runner. Anything very simple.
Make a
As long as you
hybrid.
can do it from start to finish. And then you'll learn how to polish. And optimize.
Yes, it's very important for learning to just do something. Not finishing anything is not useful at all. I did that a long time though. I guess I worked on a certain... Well, actually, I guess I did finish that game. Yeah, you should always finish something. There was one game that I worked half a year on when I was really young, and it's just a stupid game where you shoot spaceships. And it has all these preposterously complicated mechanics, despite being really unplayable. Yep.
Yeah. Well, I jump around a lot to different projects. I've made quite a lot of editor extensions and stuff like that, but yeah.
Okay, so now that I'm in here, I might as well name them something better than that. Editor extensions, those could be useful.
Yeah. They're pretty fun.
So do you have any prototypes that are fun to play?
They're not like games or anything. They're for like Unity, like extensions.
Oh, interesting. So how do you make money then? Oh, I guess you...
Oh, no,
actually.
I don't work in like the game industry or anything like that.
Well, yeah, of course.
Well, yeah. Well, if you really want to know how I make money, I work at a asphalt company.
What's that?
Roads,
Yeah, road
paving
work.
roads,
What rights?
roads.
Roads. Freaking rights.
Road rights.
Okay, so it appears that we have 67 errors. Don't you just love when that happens, and when you know that you're gonna cause errors by putting something into a different file form, to have different format of type, and then You gotta go through the whole code and replace everything. But it's better to do it now than later down the line. Even later. It's already pretty late, but yeah. Better late than never. So what was that about roads?
I work for a
He makes
company
them.
that paved them. Yeah, I make them by hand.
Nice. You paved the roads. Good.
While Florian Komix-games sits back, relaxes, and eats baby food.
Oh god, no. My secret is out. There we go. Chicks is new chicks. Is that how I do that? Yeah, I guess. Oh wait, I should have replaced that actually. Okay, so this is what I want to have there. And what I start out with is... I sure hope I can get it like this. I hope I can put a new line in there. Please let there be a new line in there. Yes, no, oh fuck that. I said copy paste, is there... Did that do it now? No, fuck that. Why can't you do it, damn you? Okay, whatever. I guess I'll just replace it manually then. Oh, that would be too convenient if you could insert a new line wherever that code is found. Alright, guess I'll have to search manually. Chicks. Oh boy. Fuck. Okay, so how about Jigs 2? What is Jigs 2? Is that only for the ears of the mouse? It would almost appear so. Yes. At the moment it is only for the ears of the mouse. Okay. Right, so maybe I can make an extension for this part too then. So I guess you work full time there? Wait, didn't you say you were on a gap year? So you're actually working while gapping?
Yeah.
Oh my, how productive.
Well, otherwise, be doing nothing.
Well, I thought that would be the point of a gap year.
Well, it's part-time anyways.
Good stuff. Yes, part-time is the best time. Alright, so I'm just gonna have something like this, which is now this function specifically for that, and then this has a transform t, and then if jigs is null, then new jigs. Right. Oh wait, that's not it.
Florian,
Yes.
I don't think I've asked you this before, but what was your job before this?
There was no job. I made a bunch of games and that was my job.
Huh.
I started really young, in school, and then I did it next to school.
What did you do in school?
Same, and I'm still bad at it.
Well, really? You started in school? Jeez. Oh well. You're
Hence
not
the game
that
races
horrible,
skill.
I guess. Wait, how old are you again?
21.
Oh my. Well, I was 21 when I made Isaac, so maybe your game is now your Isaac. But then I was lazy for 2 years, so maybe you'll catch up then.
Hopefully.
When is your birthday if you're 21 then?
Wait, what?
You're the one who's 21.
When is
Not
your
me.
birthday if you're 21?
When is my birthday?
Oh
Yes.
my god. Yes. Basic logic is very important to being a programmer. Just responding to simple questions.
I've not got the best hearing.
When's your birthday, damn you?
3rd of the 3rd, 1995.
Not bad.
Ugh.
And no,
Wait.
I'm not looking at my ID or anything.
Oh my god!
No, I'm not.
Oh,
I'm not.
month and date.
Huh?
Month and date.
For the third and third, he said.
Yeah. No, the 3rd of the
3rd
3rd.
of March.
Yeah, 3rd of March 1995.
Oh god. Someone's having an ice cold drink.
Yes. I just poured my water.
Fancy
Wait,
water.
Thirsty.
Wait, that's not even quite it actually. Fuck. Okay, so how do I do this then? Simple, I guess. Okay, extensions. So all that does is add a thingy. Yes. Okay, so I won't be needing. Oh, Jigs1, right? It adds it to Jigs1. Okay, so that makes sense. And then all I would have to do would go into the class of Jigs, and then I would set up these things as new lists already. So that makes sense. Yeah. So then I would not need this thing, and I would not have to redefine it. I would just define it as soon as I encounter the piece of body part where that happens. Alright, Jigs 2, no. Well, I need to replace all of these where it says Jigs or whatever. So how do I even? Okay, Jigs 1 is new transform. Okay, we have the hawk and the scorpion, it would seem. Let's see. Do I need to write these down to remember them? Okay, this is then Jigs add, which is now a thingy. Yes, a extension. Anything else about Jigs 1? Interesting. Now this might be a bit confusing. No, it's probably fine actually. But really, I added to the first one. How random. I thought the first one was only for legs. Oh, I hope this isn't the most boring episode. Are you learning anything, Dylan?
It's hard to follow because just I don't know your naming conventions and stuff.
Oh, just ask if there's something.
I
That's the
asked.
exact thing what I said when I first started watching these and you asked that question.
Oh.
I was like, your naming
Yes.
conventions are terrible, so
Yeah.
you have like one character named variables and you expect to know what it is. It's just like, J, that stands for, jumbo jets? I don't know.
That's right. Oh no, Jig 3. I have a Jig 3 as well. Oh my. Extensions. Well, I guess I might as well do this one more time. Yes. Alright, so that should hopefully take care of partially that. And then we should be good for now. Yes, and well, basically these things are specific body parts I need to save for certain reasons, and they're added into some kind of list of transforms. So if I would now basically replace .jigs with .jigs, then hopefully that would fix nearly all the issues. No, I'll have to manually choose which ones actually. Alright, this one, this one, this one, this one. Yep.
What you didn't realise is that whole time I was eating a pizza.
Oh no.
Dun dun dun. I had a
No,
chicken and barbecue, bacon, pizza.
not bad. I wonder if you're actually fat.
Wait, have you not seen a picture of me?
No.
Ah, I could. I'll search the internet for one. I'll track myself.
To the internet.
Oh yes. Ah, did I? There's another one. There's another jigs. God damn, it's not 1, 2, 3. It's just jigs. That's inconvenient. Why does that also exist? And how is it different from the other ones? Is that the one for the feed? Oh god. Okay, object, jigs. Yes, it exists. Oh, it's a list of lists. Oh boy. But that must be the feed then. Alright, good stuff. Let me just go through continuing my replacements that I started. And then I should maybe be able to do this multiplayer test with Nestor, which will be amazing. Oh yes. There's something to look forward to. Oh boy.
There we go. That's the. Yep, that's the picture on Skype. So you can look at my beautiful face. I'm the one on the right.
Should I show it on the video?
If you really want.
Yeah. Just out of curiosity, does this work or do I need to recompile this for Nestor? It seems to work. Yes, good. Good stuff. And then I press O to make it appear, right? Okay, good. Yep, that's good. Now what's wrong here? Jigs.add. Okay. Oh, I need to fix that extension of that one as well. Right. Yep. New jigs. Alright. Well, I hope that's not gonna be bugged in any way. Of course I created a mess before Nestor appeared and I need to fix it before I can do this test. Damn it. Why did I not see this coming and avoid it? Oh boy, I wonder if this is even allowed to have extensions that go so far. Oh god, there's a lot to replace if I think about it. Alright, well, what have we now? Please less. Okay, there's less, at least. And here's where we have to continue replacing. Without the one. Okay, so here. Wait. This is identical. What a brilliant statement. Okay, right, now I can continue replacing. Replace. You didn't do anything. There you go. Oh no, but this is where I've started replacing, okay. And here's the next one, yes. No, not that one actually. Right, because that one's just jigs, okay. Damn. Fucking brilliant naming. I wish I had called it something like legs.
Legs.
God damn. Such brilliant namings. What? Oh no, that's still still the legs. God damn it, get past the legs, will you? Aha, here we go. Now there's some more of that. That's why the hawk has those, because it's his feet. Yeah. And they don't have I key, so that's why they're different. Okay. Alright, replace. Very good. Yes, this one also. Wonder what Nest is up to. Okay, not these. These are the feet again, it would seem. And that should be that, I think. Oh wait, I should continue to see if there's any more. Yes, there is. Oh no, that is actually not relevant. Okay. That's still the other ones. Damn. Oh, almost pressed replace.
Replace everything.
No. Where are we here now? Seems fine. God, Chick's shoe looks ugly if you think about it. Okay, that's good. I've replaced everything. How many? I guess I can continue with that one. Oh fuck, I should have probably done that one first. Alright, well, guess I better go through what Unity tells me. Alright, let me show you a picture then. Here we go. Pausing. Ah! Bias Control P do that. Brilliant. Okay, well, there we go. Which one are you?
I'm the one on the right.
I thought you'd be the skinny one. Good boy.
And the one on the left is Aiden. Aiden's not fat.
Yes. Oh, there. I replaced one too many. Good to know. If even. Sure hope not. Aha! Oh no! Oh wait. Jigsaw vector 1, that's it. Oh, I see it now. I know how to replace this part then. This replace with jigsaw vector 1. Should replace all without issues. 15, very good. And then vector 2 for jigs 2. 6, alright, so how many is that then? I probably should have saved the code before I did anything. God damn! Well, luckily I can undo this easy enough. Wait, what? Oh. Actually, I'm confused. What was this previously? Right. Okay, so I need this exactly and replace it with .jigs vector 1 and open bracket. Alright. Good. Hopefully. And then 2 and 2 and replace. And how about 3? Do they exist? No. Okay. Oh, I know they don't actually, I think. Oh my, less errors than ever. Chicks count versus... Oh, right. Easy.
No more
Next
threes,
error.
huh?
So did I join in quite a...
Let's have a look. Oh god, 1 hour 13. Jeez. Things have happened.
Felt longer.
Oh no, yeah, it sure did. Actually, it felt shorter to me, actually, considering.
Is that your physics? When you're having fun, time flies by.
Yeah. Sometimes it seems longer, sometimes it seems shorter.
Yeah.
Well, especially if you gasp at words, it seems it seems like time isn't passing. But when you watch the video, and actually you didn't actually grasp for that long, so it's usually fine. Is that vector 1 that I want here, or vector 2? It's vector 1. Right. And that should be all of those, hopefully. No, there's always more. jigs. And next one, last one, hopefully. No, you're not an error. You lie. There we go. Alright. Please just work. God damn. 6 more errors. Never done.
Yep.
Oh boy. Oh no, actually that is simple. One simple mistake. Hopefully. Please work. Or else everything was for nothing. Oh god. It's not looking good. Actually that one still makes sense, but could it be that the whole thing I'm trying to do is illegal?
Oh no,
I hope not.
illegal.
I'll never get it to work if it's not meant to be. Oh, what will happen? Besides nothing, because all I did was make it so that I'll return the status quo once I've fixed everything. Oh, no references, that's what happens. Oh boy. Oh right, that was what I was working on, right? If I just return to what it was, then that should not cause any issues, and hopefully everything is now saved at a slightly better formatting. Yeah. Alright. Well, there we go. Now let me see what Nestor said. Maybe we'll do this thing finally. Go. Nestor, you're here.
Yep.
I hope you've downloaded from the Dropbox, and you should go and open mouse.exe, and then you shall test with me.
Alright, hold on one
Oh
second.
no, it might be bad. If it's an
It
EXE.
might be.
Oh yes, it's all the viruses.
Which one is it, you said?
Just the one in the Dropbox, just
In
the
the
regular
acid?
build.
Alright, hold on. Is it the mouse? Alright.
Yep.
Made with Unity, personal edition.
Oh yes, we'll
It's
upgrade
personal.
one day.
And this time, it's personal.
Did you
What's-
find it?
No, hold on.
What's the differences between personal and professional and stuff?
You can have a specific splash screen with the professional edition, which is why I'll probably have to buy it once we release the game, so we don't.
Pay royalties.
Show-
Yeah.
Oh, you don't pay royalties, I don't think. It's
Yeah, I
just,
think if you
Nah.
make more than 100,000.
well, they require you to buy it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you have to have a pro license if you're over 100, but they don't take any royalties.
Indeed.
You
Did
must
you
become
find it?
pro.
Yeah, going in.
Now, you press 7 to join the multiplayer.
7. Alright.
Ooh.
I better hide the HUD. Oh no. It's
up?
not. I can't rotate the camera. This is
Yeah,
definitely
I was
a
about to
bad
tell you.
sign.
I was about to tell you,
God.
I can't use the mouse.
That is inconvenient as hell. Oh boy.
Did you disable that somehow or something?
Did I upload the code before I... Oh god.
Yeah.
Well, that just means there's errors on the server. Let's see if I can look into that. Well, that is fucking brilliant. Okay,
Look at these spikes.
well, in that case, I'm gonna re-upload my code and I'm gonna rebuild the scene. Oh god, and then you'll have to reload it, I guess. Oh
Yeah.
wait, I need to uncomment, I guess. Yes, I need to comment it. Okay,
You must
Comment.
rebuild.
comment this code.
Oh yeah, because you're running it off the local host, weren't you?
That was what I was doing, but now I'm gonna upload the current version to the thingy and to the server, and it should work hopefully. There's always a bunch of errors when you do this testing, so it's good that we're actually doing this first test right now.
Yeah, and who's in the
Cool.
server? Just me and you, or the
Yep.
other two?
No, I don't dare yet send out any builds.
There's actually thousands. It's turned into an MMO.
MMO mouse.
Oh yes.
MMO mouse RPG.
Alright, so I joined the server on my build. You can join again, by the way.
Yeah, I'm going back in.
Assuming that it updated the thing, but then again, it's probably fine. Okay.
MMO multiplayer mouse online.
Yep.
Alright, there you go.
So where are you? Oh,
Oh,
good,
yeah,
it works.
Cool.
Oh, there you are, aren't you?
I'm jumping right now.
Yep, that's you jumping there, and that's me jumping here.
Stop and look at each other.
And it's the
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I eat invisible seed.
Oh, you see me as a seed?
No, I ate a seed and it was invisible.
Oh, okay.
Isn't that great? It actually works.
It
And you're in
works.
America and it isn't even particularly laggy.
Try
Yeah.
attacking each other.
Oh yeah, it doesn't work yet. It's all... It's very basic. It's only running around and all the animations are in, but that's it. They don't actually interact with each other yet. Ah, this is so cool.
This is good, I know.
Yeah. Okay, so if you press O, then you... No? Oh, it's I actually, not O. If you press I, then you see a lot of useless circles, but you also see the server representation of yourself.
Yeah, I see. If I press O, actually, I can see my mouse moving, like he's like behind me or something.
Yep, that's the shadow, or
okay.
the server representation of you. But you can press I again to disable it. It's
Alright.
just so you know how much you are behind. How far are you behind if you just walk randomly?
I
I
see
mean-
it when I press. Let's see. Let me see. Hold on.
If you walk regular speed, are you one full mouse length behind or more or less?
Let's see. I would say.
Is he sniffing his butt or is he a bit away?
Yeah, it's actually it's a little bit slow. It's like let's see. When I move, it takes maybe about 2 seconds for it to actually move.
Oh, is that so?
Yeah.
You actually have worse ping than me. Oh no.
Yeah.
That's because you're the host, Florian.
No, the servers are... Well, actually, I don't know how that works. I
Well,
guess it
that's-
might be different if Nestor joins the server first.
The
I don't
server is hosting in
exactly-
your area.
Okay, so 2 seconds you say it takes.
Yeah, about 2-3 seconds. Yeah.
Wow, that's not good.
Where's the server hosted?
Where indeed?
In fact, it would
Right.
probably be beneficial to send a screenshot just to see how.
Indeed. Which one are you? Oh, the one with the animation, right? The other one's just a bugged one.
Yeah.
That's a lot of 3D circles, huh?
Oh yeah. Try pressing Q.
Let's see.
Oh wait, no, not Q. C. That's the button.
See.
Oh.
Do it again.
Yeah.
Asses
I don't know.
together.
I don't know why it's so high up there.
Look at your tail.
Oh boy, and I have a seed. Oh, I see. It goes high up when I have a seed. Whee!
Ooh, having the death match on this, that's gonna be pretty cool.
Yeah, if only the ping wasn't 2 seconds delayed.
I know.
We'll have to do some testing. What?
But actually,
Actually-
hold on. It's because I think I have a video on right now. YouTube, watching some YouTube shit in the background.
I don't think it, unless it's playing right now, it shouldn't really affect it too much.
Yeah.
But then again,
If he's
there's not-
using Chrome, then
Oh, also, I made it so that it sends, I think, 30 updates per second. That might be a bit excessive, so maybe if it's less, it'll be less laggy.
Yeah. Yeah, because it's noticeable, the delay.
Now a mouse looks further away.
It does, doesn't it? Oh wait, no, that was just because I was walking slow speed.
Oh. So now
If
you're
you're
moving
walking-
faster.
Yeah, if I'm moving faster, it's of course faster behind, because it's based on the speed.
Yeah.
I mean,
Move on it.
I'll have to see if it's possible to make it slightly more predictive. slightly more instant.
Yeah, are you doing any prediction?
No, because if I did, then it would just be redoing the thing.
Not infinite jumping.
Yeah, infinite jumping with Q.
Yeah, like right now it's really delayed. It's maybe like about 15, 20 seconds.
Yeah, in that case, it's probably the fact that all these updates have accumulated and they've just slowed down everything.
Yeah.
That was Sonic Boom Rise of
maybe.
Lyric glitch. With the Infinite Knuckles glitch.
Oh no! So let's try quitting and then restarting it.
All right. Let me get in first.
Yeah,
before
that's a
you do.
good idea. Maybe I'll be the laggy one now.
Yeah, I'm done.
When you're ready.
Oh, hold on. Which one was it? Oh, right. I need rooms. Are there any active? Okay, now you can go.
Okay, let me go.
Ah, you can see it here.
Yeah, to make sure that the rooms are offline. You need to press 7 to join again.
All right.
Poor Mouse does not currently have any active rooms.
Yep. There we go. One room. Does it say? It just says main cluster, doesn't say where. Alright, here we go.
Boom Mouse
Personal
version
edition.
6.
Yeah, already uploaded 6 versions to the server. They're probably not much different. But they would probably not work with this version, the other ones. Right, 7 to join. And what happens? I can still move the camera, so that's good. Now you must be that one over there that played the animation, yep.
Yeah, like right now it's really smooth. Maybe like less than a second.
So you've activated I to see that.
Yeah.
Interesting. Well, mine is also really smooth, so can't be the ping, I guess. Maybe it was the multiple the too many updates that caused the issue.
Yeah,
Are
probably.
you sure you weren't just running? Because that definitely delays it.
Right now I'm walking, so yeah.
Run!
Well, very good stuff. At least stuff like races are 100% going to be a thing that we can do, because that doesn't require any interactions between us like players.
Yeah.
It works.
Yep. I just love it. It's so amazing. And we don't need to have any kind of... Oh, no, never mind. What I meant to say is the server doesn't actually understand about the map. The server doesn't know what the map is.
Uh-huh.
But the server is able to run all kinds of scripts, like make sure they're not speed hacking, or they're not cooldown hacking, like for example me doing just the millions of seeds. But all of these things I'll have to program in manually, all these ways of not making it
Ah yes,
hackable.
the anti-cheat system.
Indeed.
This game is back enabled.
I hope that'll be the case. I wonder how that's gonna work. I wonder if you have to do this. I wonder if there'll have to be reports so that cheaters can be reported, or if there's any other way it works automatically.
Can the Hawks spot me?
Probably both.
Yes, actually, your scene is completely unchanged. The only thing that's different is that a ghost of me is running around in your scene. That is all that's different. So I can't interact with your hawk, and you can't interact with my hawk or any other NPCs.
Because that's client side.
Indeed, it's all client side. But if you enter into any multiplayer modes, I'll make it so that these things will be disabled. All these other characters that aren't multiplayer based. And then when you rejoin the single player, you'll be teleported back to where you started, so you can't actually use
Continue where you left off.
Yep, so you can't just teleport using multiplayer and then walk through without having any enemies.
It'll be funny seeing Nestor getting picked up by the hawk, but you can't see the hawk, so he just sort of flies away.
Oh yeah.
And vice versa.
Where are you at the moment? Oh,
Oh, here
God.
by the bird.
Oh, the race bird.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's me. Me the bird.
You should use landmarks.
Yep.
I know, right?
And also, for most of the actual multiplayer modes, you'll probably be locked in a tight area, like when there's a deathmatch or whatever. But I can already imagine it'll be amazing when there'll be several players running around. I'll just have to see. Oh, by the way, do the test again with the mouse. The shadow mouse, how far behind is it?
Let's see. It's what the hell?
Oh, that must be you. It's I.
It's I. Oh, okay. There you go.
Oh no, I brought a scorpion. I hope it doesn't kill you.
Right
no,
now,
what?
yeah, right now it's quite laggy actually. It's maybe
Alright.
like 8-10 seconds behind me.
Wow.
Well,
So it's still server side, huh?
not necessarily. It could be just the fact that you have an internet connection that's less powerful than mine, and therefore all these packages that were sent clogged up the connection. Now they're getting sent one by one instead of all at the same time.
So if I tried it, it wouldn't be as bad as Nestor's.
Well, it depends. I don't think you have very good internet.
Ouch.
You've offended the poor boy. Apologise.
Oh, no. I'm sorry.
You're
Alright, well that's...
Because you've not got fast internet. You dork. Stop.
Hey,
1
can you
megabyte.
can you see my hat or am I naked right now?
Nope, you're naked. Which hat did you pick?
I have the sombrero.
Yeah, I haven't set the hats up yet. I thought maybe I should set them up, but I was too lazy then. Or actually I was bothered by ears, so I was working on ears actually. But then the ears are still broken in this version, so never mind that. The ears of the shadow, that is.
Yeah.
So that's all good stuff. We'll probably do more multiplayer tests as the time proceeds.
Indeed.
I want
I
to say
wonder-
something, but I forgot now.
Oh no. So, I'll probably have some more complex multiplayer mechanics by the time you come back from your holiday on Friday.
Yeah.
So that'll be great, hopefully. I'll make all kinds of stuff.
Yeah. Hopefully.
Indeed.
Yeah.
Alright, well I shall get back to work now, so...
Alright, me too.
Indeed. Alright, bye Nestor.
Laters.
Bye.
Later, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
And there he goes. When he disconnects, the mouse just slides off because it doesn't have stopping mechanics yet. That is definitely a thing I need to implement. Alright. Yeah, it was because it was slightly pointing forwards because that's where my thingy was.
Should make them
Oh.
just like shrink down to nothing when somebody leaves.
Good idea. Just shrivels up. But actually, you'll probably be able to kill them and then collect the seeds that they have. Yes. Sure hope that lag wasn't a real problem. Sounded horrible. Alright. Now that that's established. Oh, that was awesome, man. Just being able to jump around with someone else. Just imagine all the multiplayer modes I could do. So many options. Okay, so now let's see how I can finally fix these ears. Now that I finally got more room to put more variables in, now that I've created a specific class for it. Here we go. Private lists, quads, but not quite that way. Quads is quaternions. That would be a good finale if I could actually make it so that the ears won't be broken anymore. By the way, in case you didn't realize, this bug happens every time you roam around the map, and then you come to a village where mice are, and then the mice have previously been invisible because of level of detail,
Oh no.
and then they become invisible and they have crippled ears. So if I manage to fix that, it would be good.
It's so good.
Yeah. Unless people would have loved crippled ears. Who knows? Probably not, though. They look horrid.
It's not a bug, it's a feature.
Yep. Do I use this for anything other than the mouse? Yes, the hawk. Alright. Good to know. And... oh no. Right. Here we go. Oh, oh, I see, only two no, never mind. All of them get added. How odd. So are you considering to become a game developer full-time at any point?
I mean, I'd like to, but I don't know. We'll see.
Well, you can't let your dreams be dreams.
Otherwise, they become memes.
Some dank memes, yep.
That's how the saying goes, right?
Yep. Oh wait, actually, I suppose there's no downside in doing it like that, or is there? Extensions. All right.
Did I have
Target.
to see Kung Fu Panda?
Yes. My weird to-do file. Oh no, not to-do. My weird note file where it has a bunch of movies that I want to recommend at one point, and also that one line that I copy paste to all the girls on the dating website. Yep. And it's probably not working well, apparently, because they don't respond, but they never do, so who knows. Might not be that line at all that's causing it.
What is the line? Hey, I made the Binding of Isaac. How you doing?
Oh, it's actually linking to my trailer, so yeah, I guess it's kind of like that, my trailer of Poor Mouse.
Look at my views. And then just end on the video.
Up to 5,000. I wonder if I can use an extension within an extension. Extensionception, oh boy. Alright, so essentially that should then not cause any issue at all. Shit, did I not get that line? Why did I not get that line duplicated? Alright, so... aha, I knew it. Oh, actually I didn't. I forgot to save, I would think, and also... how do I say quads? Quads, actually like that, it would seem. But then except for the fact that this is .jigs. And also here, .jigs. And .jigs. And also, I don't know why this is an issue. I'm pretty sure I had quads. Weird. But now it's fine. Interesting. Wait, what am I even testing? Besides if there's an error, which there isn't. Okay, so that's good to know. Now back to... oh god.
Back to God.
Okay, that wasn't ideal. Right. I'm just gonna make three then, I suppose. 1, 2, and 3, and gonna add them specifically to the one that it's in. Yeah, that'll help. 1. Alright, so that's good, I think. And then I'll be able to get this, hopefully. Please. It would be horrible if it didn't work, even though this episode's already amazing with this multiplayer test. Yes. Alright, so we got quad. Yes, quad. No, that's not it. J-rod. Yes. Dot J-rod. Which is a quaternion. Indeed. Surprisingly, quaternion doesn't light up in blue like it should. Oh wait, because it's Unity specific, right? Not C# specific. Well, you really need to work hard on one game and then publish it, and then it'll be easy to go from there if you want to make an actual career out of it.
Yeah, really should finish something, but I don't mind it, jumping around to different stuff that I'm interested in.
So, how skilled are you then? Do you have any kind of...
I don't know how to
proudest
answer
thing you've done?
Have you got any prototypes that you're proud of that you could show?
that.
Oh yes.
I guess I could, yeah.
Oh boy, are they all Unity editors?
Quite a lot of them are. They're
Do you actually...
Sorry?
Yes.
Do you actually know how to make it so that the hierarchy is sorted by thingy?
But like alphabet? No,
Yes.
I don't think you can.
You used to, but then the current update broke it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, well, it was just some kind of script I downloaded from somewhere else.
Yeah, right, okay. Just reordering it. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, some script that was an editor script.
Yeah.
But it was pretty good. It's too bad that I'll probably have to find a new version of it. But maybe it'll be actually better, because it was broken for a while anyways.
Shouldn't be too hard to do.
Well, depends. They might have fucked it up in some way.
I'm guessing
Did
it's
I
not
duplicate
updated.
this? I haven't checked out if they updated the thingy. The
Oh, yeah.
alphanumeric sort type. Okay, so that should be all. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at these new ears. Wait, did I even... Yeah, I did. Actually, I'm not sure. Jiggle. Here we go. Yes, I did activate it, and it is horrid. Yes, it's horrid.
It's
But
awful.
at least... Yeah, that is exactly what I was fucking afraid of. Okay, so how do I do it? How is it... Oh wait, I know. I need jig.parent.rotation rather than whatever I just had there. Okay, so jig.parent.rotation. That might be it. Yeah, that could be totally it.
Cool.
Maybe. Or maybe I shouldn't even bother and just set the local rotation rather than the... Oh boy, it's fine, it's fixed, hooray!
Amazing.
And if I press P and... Yeah! No more broken ears! Haha!
Yeah.
It is done! 1 hour well spent, ears are fixed. Oh boy.
Hooray.
And also,
Huzzah.
not just the ears, it's also the fact that I can now make jiggle bones easier, I suppose, because
Cool.
of the way I set that up now.
What a good note to end this.
Indeed, it finally works. P and P. Yeah.
PP.
Oh no.
Subscribe for more PP.
Oh yes, don't get Riddiman in here with all his penis jokes. We'll
Dicks.
keep it classy. Yes. Coxicles.
Coxicles.
Alright, it's working. Everything is better than expected. Oh wow, a big halo. I didn't realize. I wonder what button that is. Is it P? It's P. Great.
Yeah.
Wait, actually that's confusing. I don't know what buttons I had to press to make... Oh, it's that one now. That's not the only difference, right? Silly bird. I'm the race NPC. You can run a race against me. War circle. Alright, well that's nice. Subscribe. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.